Actually, the purpose of our excavation was to remove the corroded pipes that used to supply water a long time ago. It's almost 20 to 30 years. Have a look. These are the pipes that we removed. They were all corroded. They were all corroded, and actually the materials were so old, so old. After removing the rusted pipes, we had to install a new system of PPR. But before that, we had to go through a briefing by Mr. Leonard M. Noit, aka Papa Leo.
We are going to look at all of them within the next short time. It is the aim. This thing was laid some years back. Now, because of the using of the GI pipes, some of them have started rusting. When they run the pump, they are leaking. So the pump was put off. There's a pump there that you see red inside there. Yes. The system was put off some years back. So we are now saying we need to have the system back. So we're going to connect this system to that pump and also connect it to national water. So that fully it will be charged with water. In case of anything, the institution is always what? Ready. Not only that you should wait for fire, even training, when you're talking about safety, firefighting, you can have practicals. Nakawa trains people outside there for international safeties. You have seen always these fire brigade people coming with their vehicle here. It means that if we finish this, you'll not see that police vehicle coming here. Because we would have the same system they are bringing here to hire Nakawa to do the what? To do the demos. We will now only pull the horses from there, bring to the field, and people practice and people train. Yes. That is the purpose of this. The other thing is when you are dealing with the machine, please let's avoid playing so that we don't hurt one another. The machine should be in front, wire should be behind because it is heating. It can easily do what? Is it really on? Because I'm seeing some fly there. Is the machine on? Turn the knob. This side. This side. On. So if you don't have any question, or if the person has a question, you can ask. Since you are going to do in this way, and you have to divide it up, are you going to cut out changes from there or out there? Because we are not allowed to understand after doing this. Yeah, most of these pipes we are going to bring from inside. Okay? Shall be running, starting to run from there. Join us, we are moving until we finish the pipes. The time. The time how? Because when you look at this guy, for example, you're always supposed to have a fitting. Can we have any fitting? Which fitting is this? Now, I told you this is plain, okay? This is plain T, or 42 40, as long as it is equal in all areas. So the machine is made in such a way that one side is female and one side is what?
Male.
The female side will accommodate the pipe, then the male side accommodates the fitting. You hit them together at the same time. Let's assume this is my pipe, which is supposed to be the way. Okay? So you press them and they should be square. And like I said, these are bit bigger pipes. We will want people, sometimes you can even be two here, or another one here, another one here. Then somebody else goes the one. Altogether. Make sure that the pipes are not maybe bending, the pipe and the fitting. They should be all square in such a way that when you are pushing them, they are moving square. Okay? Because sometimes you'll find somebody someone has hit the pipe badly. For example, instead of hitting this pipe wholesomely, it has made an angle. Okay? The whole of here is heated, then here is not what? Heated. You'll find maybe it was bending as they were pushing. So that will give you issues. It means when you are joining, this side will come up to where? Will you survive the pressure? No. So it means, that's why we are saying that mark it. If at all the depth, because this is supposed to be a minimum of 37 for 4 inch, 37 millimeters. The same distance you find here, you can even take a measurement and mark with the tape measure. Measure this distance, take it to the pipe. So as you're hitting the pipe, because remember the pipe is entering inside, you will not be able to see that again. But when you are hitting it, you will be able to see.
The
When
mark.
it reaches the mark, it will remain there.
Yes.
But for the one hitting the joint, you know, you can see even the size. Okay? It means when it reaches here, the joint reaches here, it is now ready for what?
Joining.
Now another thing is all the joints must move. The joint and the pipe should move at the same time. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
That's why we need equal pressure. That's why it was supposed to be one person.
Mm.
The same force you're applying from here, physics. When you push, there must be the same reaction from the other side. Are we together?
Yes.
So sometimes when it is different people, you find this one is just sleeping here, or you are busy pushing this way. By the time you remove, this person is here. For you aware?
Hmm?
Are we together with that question?
Yes, sir.
Another one. Chinese are working every day. Even when we are here, they are busy inventing something new. They brought a new type of material in plastic form, but again improved plastic called PPR.
Yes, sir.
I gave you in class. This one doesn't rust. When you look at the one we have there, rust is it. And now because the water we use are mostly national water, which has chlorine. Chlorine eats up metals seriously. That's why after some time, that's what? Rusting. It clogs some of the pipes. Right now some pipes have reduced in diameter. That's the reason we are now changing to the
PPR.
new technology. This one, when it stays there, it has a lifespan of over 25 years. When it is still in the same state. Also, if you buried it down, when you expose it to the ultraviolet light, that's why you find it starting to peel, this PPR. Okay? That's the reason we are now going to this. And commonly, in general, plastics are taking the market now compared to, even in the price, the materials for making this, and these are some of the things you should be there putting. The reason why this project was the rationale. We are trying to justify. There's what they call justification in your report. Why did you do the project? Such things should come in. The system was off, the pipes had rusted, there was need now for us to change from GI to PPR. Any other thing?
Here we go. We had to fix the pipes in the trenches, but since they were very narrow and couldn't accommodate all of us, some of us remained up as a less number went down to help out. Here we fused the union and plus the pipe, and when they get heated to the marked level, we pull and push so that they can cool while connected together. That's our project. We finalized with fixing the new system. We set up a new system using PPR pipes of 6 inches. The old one was made of iron and it was rusted. Now we put a new one made of PPR pipes only.
我想让很多人低视我，我想让很多人疑问我，我想被很多人听过我，我要让所有人记住我。I gotta work hard, I gotta work hard, I gotta work hard, I gotta work hard. Take it slow, I move like snake. 他们太脏了，我伺机而动。好了的伤胃记得多痛，我左手拿剑，右手拉弓。西亚的战场我负责进攻，你们太弱了，该练练武功。押韵的比拼我占了上风，你们发泄的时间我用来放松，别来发疯。都靠嘴动，我全都 rap 了不怂。上山打虎对我太基础 ，slow motion， 你们所有动作在我面前播放的一清二楚。flow 的深从我出生起，最让神探偷闲的没人亵渎。BBS not BTS， 车速太快快过 GPS。过你我现在开始分，加中间值我来过分，我第二天贝多芬，我。 我喜欢吃马粉，I don't care 你喜欢讨厌 stop， 陪我的 fan 都说我 smooth like latte。Please please don't bother with playing the lead。Please please but you know I don't mind。Yeah right yeah right yeah right yeah right yeah right yeah right yeah。
Yeah, here we go. We had to go with the fusing of the PPR. And trust me, it wasn't an easy task because these pipes were very big. Here we had to fix the pipes while in the trenches, but since the trenches were not spaced enough, some of us had to remain up as the others went down to push and pull the pipes while fusing because pressure is needed. This is how the fusing is done. You fuse, and when the pipes burn, you pull and then push to join them together on cooling. That's how it's done. You must get support, and after there you let them cool without tampering any.